Hey guys, today I'm going to make a salmon and cheese sandwich. So let's get toasting. I've got some naan bread rounds here, and I just lightly toasted them because they're a bit on the soft side. So toasted them just a little bit first, and N-A-A-N, naan bread. So I just found these. I've used naan bread before, but not these little tiny rounds like this. I just discovered these the other day, so these were good for like little pizzas and stuff. And I'm using canned salmon for this, so putting some canned pink salmon on here on each one of these, and then I'm just going to top it with some Havarti dill cheese. Dill goes pretty well with salmon, so thought that would be good. I made these for dinner last night, and I thought they were pretty good. So, alright, that looks pretty good, and I've sliced up some of that Havarti dill. Just put a couple of slices on each one. And I'm just going to put these in my toaster oven, right in this cast iron pan. You can use your tray if you don't have one. I'm setting my oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just keep an eye on those until the cheese melts. It's been about 4 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Don't want to burn these up here. That looks good. The cheese looks melted. I'm going to get them out of there. Those look pretty good just like that. Some of the cheese ran off the edge, so I'm glad I put it on a pan. So you'd probably want to use a tray. Now, I think I get a little fancy and just squeeze a little bit of this squeezed sour cream right on the top there as well. A little bit of that, and then I have a little bit of green onion, so just take some scissors and just cut up a little bit of this green onion over the top of that. I think I'm also going to sprinkle on just a little bit of cayenne pepper for just a little bit of heat and a little bit of color. That looks good. The Havarti cheese melts nice. Here's what the package looks like. I don't think I showed you guys. Anyway, but you could use whatever kind of cheese you like. Let's try one of these out here. Those are good. They're kind of rich though. I'm not sure what Annie will think of this. I'll find a piece with no cayenne pepper or onions on it. Let her try that. Well, she ate it. I will write everything in the description like usual. Hope you guys are doing good. Thanks for watching. See you next time.